Okay. Is that your water, my dear? Okay, I'll give you water. I'll be back, okay? I'll be back. Look at you. You're so pretty. Can I see your eyes? You're so pretty, honey. Look at that. Someone's watching me what I'm doing down here. Okay, I will take some water. Look at the meow meow. That is a cat. And he's turning his back. This is a black cat. Meow meow. Meow meow. Why this cat is not looking at me? Meow meow. I hope this is not a ghost. Meow meow. Meow meow. Meow meow. Meow. Meow meow. Why this cat is not doesn't want to be bothered? Meow meow. Is he looking at me or is it behind his back? He's looking at me. I cannot just see the face because it's total darkness. How are you, meow? I cannot even see the eyes. I tried to get close up. I'm getting scared with this. I'm getting scared with this, guys. Meow meow. I'm here for friendship, my friend, not for something else. Okay. So this is the gate of this facility, guys. Okay, I'm gonna go to my accommodation, but I cannot see the eyes of this cat. Meow meow. I'm here for friendship, okay? I cannot see the eyes. I thought he was, at his back. I want to see his eyes. Look at that. This is not a back. This is a front. But it looks like he doesn't want to be bothered. He's moving his ears. He's a person that is a boy. Starting to be scared here. But there's light. Meow meow. Do you have friends? Oh, I can see your eyes. You have a beautiful eyes, my dear. Are you a resident here? What is your name? Oh, Haran. I can give you food. I have some food. But these guys are super healthy. Now I'm happy I can see your eyes. I'm happy I can see your eyes now. That was a beautiful eyes. Okay. And I know there's like somebody's giving them food. Oh, there's another one. Yeah, I saw like when I first arrived here. I saw like I think there's a cat over there, and somebody's giving them food. There's a plate out there. Hi guys, good evening. I'm here for friendship, okay? Show me your eyes. You have a very beautiful eyes. Do you have a name? Oh, look at that. There's another cat over there. Look. Yeah, there are stray cats here, guys. Look at that. Oh. And they look healthy. I'm gonna leave them some food too. What? Where did you go? It was so quick. Wait a minute. Where did you go? This is the black one. Okay? This is the one I was trying to interact. But where is the one in front of me? Wait a minute. Where did you go? Did you run that fast? Or... Wait a minute. Why it was so quick? You disappeared in front of my face. Guys, I'm here for friendship. Oh, I think this is the one here. Ah, this is the one. She moved pretty fast. Hello, my dear. Oh, you see? There's a food. Oh. I'm gonna give you some food, honey. Okay? She moved so fast while I was talking. Oh, I was so apprehensive, starting to get scared. But I'm starting to be comfortable with you guys, even just now. Yeah, I will give them some food, water. Yeah, there's another two here. Oh, I think three of them. The one, so three of them, and there's one over there. It disappeared. The black one, I thought I was looking at his back, but in fact it was looking at me because I cannot see the eyes. And there's drinking water. Do you still have water? I gotta give you some water, honey. I think so. Okay, I gotta give them food now. I'll be back. Okay, I put you some water, hon. Okay. Okay. And I have some food for you. Come on, guys. Come on. I bring you some water and some food. Come. I changed their water, guys, because it looks cloudy already. But I just changed them. Come on, my dear. She's the one who disappeared so fast. I presume that she's a she. Oh, look at them. I really love them. I pity them. Okay, starting today, huh? You are my friends starting tonight. We are friends starting tonight, okay? Look at the two. Okay. So you have to eat. Enjoy your dinner, my dear. Yeah, I brought them some water and some food. Because I love animals, guys. I love cats. Who does not love these creatures? They're so cute. Okay, guys. Thank you again for watching. See you again on my next vlog. Take care. Okay, guys. I added a little bit of this vlog. I'm here in the parking lot now, guys. Look at the moon. It's hazy a little bit here, but it's okay. Look at that. Okay, so this is my place here, guys. My accommodation. It's the hospital there. That area is a hospital. Emergency department in that area. There's an ER, and then behind that is our dialysis room. Alright, guys, so this is the old building. This is the old hospital, actually, guys, and then they converted it into accommodation for travelers. So here we go, guys. And these are my friends here in the park. This is our parking lot here, basically. This is our accommodation area. This is the old hospital, and they converted to housing for travelers. And I just walk here, guys. It's pretty close. This is hospital over there, so I just walk over here. Alright, thank you guys for watching. See you again on my next vlog. Take care, guys.